This model kit review is of the Lamborghini Miura, and this is a 1/25th scale model by Entex models, and this is a really old Lamborghini before the Countach. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, here we have the chassis, we have the seats, here we have our wheels, steering wheel, some of the front parts of the body, and possibly a spoiler there. Here's our dashboard, and probably part of the engine block. Very basic model. Here's our, as you can see, some fair amount of the flashing here on our body panels. Flashing there really everywhere. It's kind of badly molded. And our glass, looks like we only have the front glass removed. Here are the wheels. Yeah, I'll do this one again.